Good morning. Hello. Asus. Sleepy ka pa ba? Yan na, mag-aalas 8 na. Hinihintay na lang kita magising. Ha? Uwi. Uwi. Hi. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Let's go down. Hello, guys. Good morning. Ayan, mag-alas 8 na, baba na kami ng ating bebe. Timplahan ko lang si Sky ng milk. 7 ounce. Nasaan na ba ako? Naka-4 na takal na ako. 5, 6, 7. First thing in the morning, ito talaga yung ginagawa ko, guys. Timplahan muna si Sky ng milk before ako maghilamos, before ako magluto ng breakfast. Baby, milk. Milk. Naglilinis ako ngayon ng CR, guys. Ayan, ginagamit ko yung spin scrubber from, nabili ko siya sa Gemini store sa Facebook. Ayan. Yung spin scrubber ng Gemini, meron silang tatlong brush. Ito, pang edges to. Ito ko to inaano para matanggal yung mga dumi sa gilid-gilid. Ito yun guys, yung best friend ko sa paglilinis ng CR. Ayan, from Gemini Store, spin scrubber. Meron siyang tatlong brush, 1, 2, 3. Para depende sa inyo kung paano nyo siya gagamitin. Ako sa mga flat na surface, ito. Tapos sa loob ng toilet bowl, ito. Tapos sa mga sulok-sulok, ayun. Nakalimutan ko na yung tawag dito. Dome brush yata to. Tapos ito, flat brush. Ito, hindi ko alam, pointed brush. Tapos rechargeable naman siya. Ayan, dito siya charge. Yan dito. So, ito yung katulong ko sa paglilinis ng CR. Tapos, kapag hindi naman floor yung gagamitin nyo, pwedeng ito lang, tapos ikakabit nyo yung ayan, ganyan. Tapos, kapag kailangan nyo ng medyo mahaba, kunyari sa floor, para hindi kayo mag-bend, ito naman yung ikakabit nyo, para magkaduktong sila, ganyan. Bali, ito dito, ito doon, tapos ito dito sa pinakababa. Tapos dito charge sa ilalim.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Dito yung nagpasabag ng bomba. Nakakainis. Nakaharap pa sa akin yung puwet. For merienda, luto tayo ng pansit canton. Ayan yung Lucky Me na original, tapos 2 kalamansi. Nagpapainit na ako ng water. Tsaka egg. Kain tayo guys, merienda. Ayan, pansit canton, tsaka mangga. Madami pa kasi yung mangga and then egg. Kain. Ay, may tasty din dito. Ito. Kain tayo. PM na guys, and ayan, makulimlim, madilim. Nagpe-play si Sky. Napaliguan ko na pala siya. Si Daddy nakaligo na rin. Wow. Ang ganda ng pasa mo dyan, Dia. Parang model. Char. Ano? Stomach in. Stomach in. Ang hirap ba?
Picture na mga buntis.
Maternity shoot. Sinilong ko na rin pala guys yung mga natirang damit. Papaakyat ko na lang yan kay Daddy Andy para matiklop ko na bukas. Umuulan guys. Umuulan na naman. Nakakamiss din yung magandang sunset eh. Pero actually gusto ko din yung weather na ganito. Ano lang, kalma lang. Yes baby, you want what? Oh, Ben, nag-iipon na naman to ng ano, toys. Nakita niya kasi lalagyan na ng mga toys niya. Mga toys niya, oh. Oh, sige. Ako na makuha. Ano nakuha mo? Ah. Play siya. Naka-shower na ako, guys. Nagpapatuyo ng hair. Hinihintay ko na lang si Ederlyn, si Daddy, tsaka si Sky umakyat na sa taas. And tinan nyo yung nangyari sa sala natin. Ang daming kalat. maya-maya pa daw si Ederlyn. Akyat muna ako. Bababa na lang ako mamaya kasi nila ko yung pintuan. So, dito muna tayo sa kwarto. Ano kayang ginagawa ng mag-ama ko? Hello!
Hello!
What are you watching? Oy!
Hello!
Si Daddy. Read tayo ng books, Kai. Let's read books.
Robin.
Oh, what's this?
What is it? Apple.
Apple. How about this one?
Ray.
Train. This one?
Hat.
Hat.
Rock.
Blocks. This one?
Horse.
Cat.
Horse.
Car.
Dada.
Banana.
Duck.
Truck. Ay, no more. Finish. Very good. High five.
Apple.
High five. Galing. Ay, what's this, Sky? Sky, what's this?
Fish.
Fish. How about this one?
Bubble.
Ah, bubbles pala. Very good. Okay, what letter is this?
W.
W.
O.
O.
R.
R.
D.
D. How about this one? The last one, Sky.
Wow.
Nanonood kasi siya. Wow. Alas 9 na, nandito na si Ederly. Tinatamad ako kumain, guys, kasi busog pa ako dahil dun sa pansit kanto na kinain namin kanina, tas tinapay, ang dami kong kinakain. Kaya ito, mag-boiled egg na lang ako yung natira kanina, tapos pakwan. Kahit si Ederly, di rin daw kakain eh. Ayan, kain tayo. Natatakot kasi ako, baka mamaya hindi ako kumain, magutom ako. Nagpapa-milk pa naman ako kay Sky. Baka mamaya magising ako na madaling araw. Siyempre pag nagpapa-milk ka, madali kang magutom ay. Mamaya madaling araw magutom ako, ayoko kayang bumaba. Minsan magdamag na kalatch si Sky sa akin. So, kain tayo. Ay, tatamad akong bumaba. Ayan, kain tayo itlog. Ayan. Anyway, mag-end na rin ako ng vlog, guys. Ayan. Hopefully, nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog natin kahit simple lang. Please like and share po this video and pa-subscribe po sana sa aming channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.